6 minus 6 gives us 0, and again 6 minus 6 gives us 0, and 0 divided by 0 is 0. Is that 0 or undefined, or you may call it differently in your region, but anyway, this is not correct, right? This is not the right thing, the right way to solve the problem. So here, according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we have to solve the multiplication or division before addition or subtraction, right? According to the rule. So the first priority is parentheses. After we solve all the parentheses, only then we are allowed to move to exponent and then multiplication and division, and on fourth, finally, we have to solve addition and subtraction. So the thing is, if we solve subtraction before division, that is wrong because division has a higher priority than subtraction. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have a subtraction and a division. So we have to do the division first according to the rule of order of operation. So 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 6 minus 1 minus 6 is going to be the next equation we need to solve, and 6 minus 1 gives us 5, and 5 minus 6 is equal to -1. So the final answer to this question is -1.